Alright guys, it's going to be my daily slash trading recap of September 24th. Okay, so starting off on the day, before market open, I was bullish because I did want us to sweep this Hive day because, we had bullish structure, higher highs, higher lows. This could have been just like a soup, a little AMD action, but I'll get into why I wanted this Hive day, and I could also get into why I didn't want Hive day at this time exactly. So basically at 9:30 open, big wick to the upside, and we didn't sweep this high, right? But we did tap into this 3 minute BPR. And the reason why I wanted to short was this is the same thing that happened on Friday. Don't have a video on that, but basically what happened was ES 9:30 it wicked up, automatically went down while NQ was still up. So I looked at YM or US 30 and 9:30 wick up, pull down, and then I was like, okay, this is kind of the same thing that happened on Friday. So let me go look at DXY. I can't really look at DXY because I already had two charts pulled up, but DXY was pumping out the ass. So I already knew NQ was gonna have to short. It's just a matter of time when. So on a 3 minute time frame, we did have a 3 minute BPR that we respected. I ended up shorting somewhere in the wick. I don't have my executions on because they got deleted, but shorted around here. A good reaction, tapped in back into this 3 minute BPR. I'm at 3 minute FEG. This could have been your TP1. That could have been your quote unquote low hanging fruit. And then main draw was going to be the sell side right here at 7 o'clock a.m. And then, so that was pretty much it. Got my profit goal of the day, so I didn't want to trade anymore. Absolute news just absolutely dumped us and got chopped up here a little bit, but ended up taking the long. So second trade was going to be on my funded futures accounts. So going to the day, I was bullish and I wanted to have some SMT at the lows and a turtle soup, right? Obviously, because you're gonna want that big expansion upwards. And what better confluence are you gonna have besides a SMT and a liquidity sweep? So right here, you can see this is our Monday low, right? Monday low got tagged SMT with ES, and we also tapped into a 4 RFEG. So these are confluences. It was going to be a big AMD, right? We manipulated past 9:30, so it could have been a little bit of a Judas swing. We had AMD on like the 15-minute time frame. We liquidity sweeped, SMT with ES, and higher time frame PD rate. What else can you pretty much fucking ask for? So I got rid of my chart stuff so you guys can see right here on the 4 hour. This same time is this order block, which isn't really that ideal. Because 4 FEG, little small 4 FEG, right? So Monday low is here, and then today's low was here. So we had big SMT, and also didn't tap into this higher time frame PD array, which is okay. So let me turn on my stuff again. It's right here. Previous daily low or sell side SMT. We got this 4 hour gap, and let me go on the 15-minute time frame. We also had our weekly open here, which is fine because it didn't get respected. And a reason why I knew Hive Day was going to get taken and we weren't just going to go to OT and start dumping down is because at this Hive Day was set at 4 o'clock, right? Oh, wait, I'm tripping. No, I'm not tripping. Hive Day was set at 4 o'clock, which isn't a key time. And we didn't have a hard time frame PDR that we bounced back, or bounced whatever. And we also had no SMT with ES or YM. So this is a fake low, a fake high, fake low, bro. A fake high or a false high. And that's something that I learned from Kai. So, yeah, I love Kai. So 1 minute time frame. Let's go back. Pretty sure if you guys joined Akram's class, we also had S&T at these lows right here, or these lows. I know I took a long, got stopped at break even, took another long, got stopped at break even, and then finally I was going to be patient, wait for previous daily low, right? Previous daily low was snagged, SMT with a 1 minute internal soup and SMT, and then a higher time frame soup. Entered around the wick, TP1 was here. I knew Hive Day was going to get stolen, so I had my TP up here, but since I am on my funded futures, I didn't want my consistency rule to be out the ass, so I did end up closing all my trades here, or most of my trades here, but I did leave one micro to run so I could get the execution picture. So that was pretty much it for the NQ long. And then for the third, fourth, fifth, whatever trade I had, was going to be the short also one that Akram took as well. So pulling my OTE off this low and this high, I did have equilibrium here. And if you look right here, we also had a 15-minute BPR. So this would have been a dump to a discount array to pump us up higher, but we didn't get that, and I'll tell you guys why. Going on the 1 minute, we had SMT at these highs with ES. We had a soup at this high, this little internal soup, and then we also had SMT here with NQ. MNQ did not take this high, but NQ did. ES did not as well. So just pretend this is just a regular SMT, and the wick is about just like that big. Just make it like that actually. Well, whatever. You guys get the point. I did go on the 2 minute and the 3 minute time frame for this trade because it was choppy, so I wanted to get like a little bit of a higher time frame PD array, I guess you could say. So we did have this turtle soup, right, and this SMT here. Tab back into this 2 minute order block. I added in around 2 micros. I was gonna take it. I didn't want to risk that much, and then we did end up having this OTE range, this little dealing range. Ended up adding 5 micros in, around 62%, or no, somewhere around here, right? So my fill was around here. Since we respected OTE, I was fine with that. I did pull 9:30 open and 8:30 open as a time opening price to see if it will be used as a magnet, and that's exactly what it was. Took partials at 9:30. This was our little bit of our rejection point, and then we ended up tapping into some smaller PD arrays to send us lower. Finally, we had a big dump down at 14 o'clock or 14:30, 2:30, whatever you want to say, and I did end up closing my trade at 8:30. 8:30 was used as a reversal. We didn't tap into that 15-minute BPR or OTE or equilibrium of the range because since we had such a big candle down, usually we're just gonna have a rejection at that point. So that was pretty much it. 9:30 short was based off 3-minute BPR. ES and YM and DXY were out of line of NQ, so I knew NQ was gonna have to pick up. NQ, we had double SMT at the previous daily low, internal soup as well with the turtle soup for our FEG. There's nothing. This is an A+ setup. There's nothing more you guys would want. And if you guys didn't take this trade, then oh well. And then MNQ was just a smaller scalp trade, whatever. 2-minute order block, SMT turtle soup at the highs, OTE add in, partials at time opening prices / PD raise, and that was pretty much it. I don't know what else to say. Yeah, that's about it.